Gary Ross with me. He's the guy who gets us hooked up with a lot of these cool cars. And today, he's got us hooked up with a 2011 Nissan GTR. And it's owned by Andrew Loggins. And it's got full bolt-ons, exhaust intake system, that sort of thing. And has also been tuned on E85, which is an ethanol, by MAPerformance, and I think that was Sharif that did that up there. But anyway, it's a great car, really fun to drive. Has a lot of cool electronics and stuff on it from Nissan that make it more of a user-friendly experience, and it also being all-wheel drive also makes it a little bit more controllable. This one, since it's had a tune and some other work done to it, has about 700 horsepower and some other functions like anti-lag and stuff, which are pretty cool. But Gary, would you like to say anything about the car?
This car is extremely fun on the road, even on the track. You know, it's about 700 wheel. It would take a little less, a little more, but man, you can put your 16-year-old kid in this car and they can have fun. Or your wife or somebody, man. It's just super easy, you know, super reliable, really fun car to drive. So if you can afford one, get one. That's all I can say about that.
I don't know about putting my 16-year-old in a 700 horsepower car. That may be a little too much, but either way, I think it's an awesome car. Really fun. I'd like to have one of these myself. So the other thing I was thinking about is a while back I was in a store in Ashley Park, and they had some garbage pail kid cards, and that was something I used to have when I was younger. And these are original garbage pail kid cards from 1988, so pretty crazy. Original packaging.
Born in 1988.
Right. Yeah, and I was 6 years old, so that'll give you an idea how old I am. But anyway, it's kind of cool. They were, I guess, 25 cents. I paid like $4 for them. But pretty crazy. Maybe some of you guys out there remember these things. But the other cool thing was it still had the chewing gum in the packaging. So I thought it'd be cool if Gary and I tried the chewing gum from 1988. I'm sure it's not too great, but it'd be kind of a fun experience. So. Anyway, thanks a lot, guys. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video of the car. We definitely had a great time driving it, and it was a great experience. We'll talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Into the street. Now did you read the news?
control.
It was on. It was fighting.
Yeah, but it didn't stay in it.